Leanne, you've just finished the Sydney painting workshop. For a woman who's not sure if she likes pink, you went for the pink, and look what you did. Every shade of pink. You wouldn't really say it was pink, you'd say it was lilac, magenta, crimsons, dusky, powder blue pinks, everything. How did you go?
I went really well. I'm really happy. I had moments where I wasn't, but I tend to be a bit like that. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. It was great learning curves for me. Huge difference in the way that I've painted before. So it's different brushes, different style, different shading, different everything, and also doing it on a big canvas was a joy. I loved it.
And do you think that having a system of painting, now that you've learned how to put together and construct a painting, and to, how to do one in detail and then how to do it even faster, that's a one-day painting there that we're looking at with the Magnolia. Do you think that you've got some tools to go home with?
Yes, absolutely.
Fantastic. Well, look out, Berry, on the New South Wales coast for Leanne Twyford's beautiful paintings. Congratulations.
Thank you.